Okay, my name's David Breedon. My topic is over autonomous warehousing. One of the advantages of autonomous warehousing is the fact that it reduces total labor costs that is needed in the warehouse. The autonomous warehousing robots means that less people need to be hired, less people need to work in the warehouse in general. It also reduces the amount of misstocks and misplaces within the warehouse, things that would normally get misplaced or misdone because they're put in the wrong bin or someone doesn't accurately record where they put something in the warehouse is reduced. Also increase the throughput of the warehouse in total, as there can be easier to have a 24-hour operation. Also makes it where more product can be handled because the machines don't get tired or worn out or anything like that. Uh, Increase the total efficiency of the warehouse as well through the use of AI and other just general computing algorithms, because the warehouse no longer has to be ordered in a way that makes sense to people. So items that are like don't have to be put together because the robots can easily, scan the entire parts list or warehouse locations within their software much faster than a human could ever look down the equivalent sort of list or directory. This is connected to the Internet of Things. Internet of Things is each individual item being connected to the internet and to other software. Uh, this is needed within autonomous warehouses because the system that is running the warehouse as a whole needs to be able to tell where all the other products are, or I shouldn't say products, the other machines are within the warehouse. And if there are people that are also within the warehouse, it through the use of, like, say, scanners or laptops or things like that, uh, the system also knows where within the warehouse even people are. It also allows for more Internet of Things, allows for more real time connections uh, down the supply chain. So uh, if somebody's car knows that it needs a filter change, uh, that car can push back the need for that filter change to the warehouse. That way it can be handled sooner, allowing it to be sent to from possibly different locations if supply was low at the closest warehouse. And both those things link into digital twin of supply chain for modeling. Uh, it allows you to better model at the beginning what the warehouse is going to look like and how it'll process through, because since you're using autonomous machines, it's easier to model those things because you have such a higher degree of control over them. And also, the digital twin links into the IoT because it makes it where you can model the supply chain truly all the way down to the direct consumer, right? And my idea of, your car ordering your filter, that's not even just saying like, oh, it will arrive at, the end consumer's doorstep. It will be that the end consumer will immediately tell the supply chain when it needs a product, allowing for better demand forecasting. Uh, that is also part of how all all three of these things connect together. It allows for get better forecasting over the entire supply chain from beginning to end, and it also makes it where uh, the supply chain is more efficient as more autonomousness is put into the supply chain, whether it be at warehousing or my example with Internet of Things. the fewer times that a person has to be involved in the process, the fewer times that there can be delays and mistakes that happen. Thank you.